Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I'm about to share something with you that is kind of irritating and sad and funny and ridiculous and just dishonest, and I can think of a million other adjectives and words to describe it, but I'm going to read this letter to you. And what happened was a couple other major players in the shaving industry, owners of large companies, have contacted me in the past couple days saying that they received this email from somebody and said, I hope nobody else is falling for it. This guy's an idiot, more or less, and you should be made aware. So they sent it to me, and I'm going to read it to you. And I'm going to stop along the way and maybe just comment on a few things here and there. So it says, hey guys. First off, I never send out a letter saying, hey guys. That's not me. It's either dear or greetings or hello, never hey guys, okay? I own my own YouTube channel, Geofatboy, spelled capital G-E-O, capital F-A-T, capital B-O-Y. I don't spell it that way, it's just a capital G, that's it. So I have my own YouTube channel, Geofatboy, with over 56,000 subscribers. That's true, I have over 56,000 subscribers right now. I also work with Badger and Blade. Well, I don't really work with Badger and Blade. I'm on Badger and Blade as far as people talking about me, my products, and my videos. I've never joined Badger and Blade. As a matter of fact, I don't believe I've ever asked to join any shaving group anywhere. People have sent me requests and asking me to join. So then I join, usually. Sometimes, not all the time. Okay? He says, I review all safety razors, aftershaves, single edge razors, slant razors, etc. I have been really interested in your razors. All of your products look extremely solid and well built. I would really like to review it on my channel and on Baxter and Blade. So what's Baxter and Blade? Is that Badger and Blade, or is that something new? Got me. I will give all my subscribers 15% off their first order with you if you'd like to give me a promo code. Anyways, if you could send me the razors to review, that would be great. I can also do a giveaway on my Facebook and my YouTube as well. I will leave my address below. Okay, and he leaves his name and address. Anthony Road, Hicksville, New York, 11801. I really look forward to hearing back from you, and it would be an honor to review your product. Happy holidays. Sincerely, Anthony. How do you use the word honor when you write a letter like this? That's something I don't understand. You know, to me, that word, if you're trying to steal from somebody and you're crooked and you're dishonest, that's a word that you shouldn't be using in a sentence. But, you know, he used it. Anyway, totally goes against my grain. And the thing that really irritates me about this, yeah, it's, you know, he's not really stealing from me directly, but he's trying to steal from other people indirectly. And the thing that really pisses me off is the fact that, see my collar? It's blue, right? I'm not a white collar guy. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a lawyer. I go to work. I used to be an electrician. Now I own a shaving company. Okay? I work hard, sometimes 18 hours a day doing this. And like I said, I'm a blue collar guy. I'm not a rich millionaire type white collar guy. So the thing that really pisses me off is we as Americans, most of us, probably 90% of us, are honest. We go to work every day, try to make a living, earn money for our families, you know, keep things going, and it's not easy. And we go about it, and most of us try to do it in an honest fashion. But then you have people like this who go to work every day, and what's their job? Their job is to steal from us, the people who are honest, trying to do the right thing. So I don't know about what parents raised you, but my parents, this is not something that they ingrained in me or my sisters or my family, and this is not something I want ingrained in my children or my relatives or anybody I know. So yeah, I know it's probably just, in the scheme of things, it's really just something really small, but the fact is I had some people check into it, and he's also done some other things like this, ripping off other people online, and he's been doing it since, I think, either 2009 or 2012. So, you know, I just feel, what do you do? What should I do? I'm not even sure what to do. Do I call the police in his town and say, can you go and check on this guy? He's impersonating me trying to get free stuff. And they're going to probably laugh, right? They're going to say, that's really not that big of a deal. But hey, to me, it's a big deal. To the people he's trying to steal from, that's a big deal too. You're a small company. You don't have enough where you don't have that much money where you can just be throwing stuff away and giving stuff away. Anyway, I just thought I would vent a little bit and put that out there. And, somebody else, a couple friends I mentioned it to, they said it's karma. He may be out there doing this right now, but later on or whenever, things are going to catch up. And I just remember reading somewhere, and I can't remember where I read it, but it always sticks in my brain. It goes, in the end, we all know what we've done. And that's something that, when the time comes and you're going to take your last breaths, in your head and in your body and in your soul, you know what you did. And hopefully you can rest easy when you pass on. Thanks for watching. I'm Geofatboy, ShaveNation.com. Oh, and by the way, I really didn't want to bleep out the guy's name, but the way society is today, with lawsuits flying back and forth, everybody's so litigious that I feel like if I mention his name, guess what? He's probably going to come back and sue me and say, you mentioned my name, and look at how many people saw it, and you accused me of something. Whatever. Okay, well, I just feel like I really would love to put your name out there and just put it into the karmic atmosphere and see what happens. But just things being the way they are, I won't do that. Now I'm curious, what's your opinion? Put yourself in my shoes. What would you do about this? Anything? Nothing? Something? Leave a comment below.